Got myself a CV boot remover or installer from Amazon. Before buying it, I read on the comments and people were complaining that it just didn't flat out work. Even though I tried putting 150 pounds in it, it just didn't work. Besides the fact that when you press on it, it sounds like a train whistle. So I bought it anyways. Out of the box, there was a few major problems. By connecting the air hose to it, on the start there's an air leak at the input valve. There's that safety valve, blow-by valve, that was leaking. So let's go. We're gonna take it apart and go on it. I'm taking out the piston. It's like the finger retainer. Now you'll see the piston. The piston is very tight. It took me some air pressure to put it out. So I was figuring maybe the piston's too tight or the O-ring is maybe oversized or something, but finally it's not the case. The O-ring seems to be alright, so we'll get to that back later. So I'm picking apart the back end of it, where that's the control valves, the pressure valve and the release valve. Taking apart the actuator valve to go find that leak. There is a snatch O-ring that has been wrongly assembled. I'm sorry for part of my video is like out of focus. I didn't know that that's the only copy I have. I'm gonna fix it up a little bit later. So now I'm looking for replacing the O-ring, which I got a whole bunch of these things, but actually I had a hard time finding the right size. But I got it. Put the plunger back in. Locking pin. To secure the valve. Next step, to take the paint out. I figure it's gonna give me more clearance to free up the cylinder, the piston. We're gonna preheat the paint without burning the exterior paint. Brush it off with a wire brush. It came out pretty good. Kind of hot enough to burn your fingers. If you guys don't mind, you can. I would appreciate if you can give me like a thumbs up, subscribe and share. Help me out a lot to get more views, so I can gather up some more subscribers. Finish it with a sandpaper, 220 sandpaper. Still not satisfied. I'm gonna end up doing it with a rotating sandpaper to give it a better finish. Get myself a cigar. Getting my O-ring back. I put it away by accident. The rear end. Installing the rear end back on. Now I'm gonna clean the piston. Try out. It's kind of stiff still. Finishing with a sandpaper. Did a nice job. Satisfied. Apply some grease on the piston. Put back in the fingers. You noticed I missed installing that metal ring on the piston. As we're speaking right now, I don't know about it. I'm gonna find out later. There, I just realized I didn't have my metal ring installed. Take it apart again. Then I realized I didn't have to take it apart completely. Anyways, just spread open the fingers and slide it back into it. There you go. Smart boy. Okay, put it back in the Allen bolts. Tight that up. Install that rubber gasket. That rubber hoodie. Testing. Still not satisfied. That rubber hoodie is giving way too much pressure on the fingers. So we will be ditching it. Running a second test. That's where I realized the blow-off valve is blowing, it has a blow-by. I have to fix that up. I'm losing a lot of pressure. even with a very low pressure of like maybe 60 pounds, it opens up. So I'm gonna completely block it. Try different things. I modified it so it's going to be closed shut. Out of service. No more safety valve. It's that problem. Now let's see what it's going to give us like result. Approximately 120 psi. Got it on. It's done. Fix the machine. Chinese made, Chinese engineers. Gotta be fixed by a Canadian guy. Jack of all trades, master of all. Hi guys. If you made it that far, I mean, you're good to thumbs up, share, subscribe, and leave some comments of any kind of subject that could interest us. Thank you.